Hi students. So last class we will discuss the introduction part of that chemistry. So in that we will discuss how the chemistry deals with the universe. The world, the universe is made up of chemistry. So wherever you can see the chemistry is there. It is in the three different phases. That is solid state, liquid state and gaseous state. The solid state is the solid which is, what is the definition for solid? It is having definite shape and definite volume. The solid has definite shape and definite volume. The liquid is having no definite shape but it's having the definite volume. The liquid is no definite shape but it's having the definite volume. But in gases there is no definite shape and no definite volume. So these topics we will discuss in the previous session. And now we will discuss the very important topic. In chemistry, you have to know the periodic tables of elements. It is very important. Okay students, first you have to take your note and pen. Make it fast. Make it fast. Have you taken? Okay, fine. So in periodic tables, so who will discover the periodic table first? Who will discover? The periodic table was first discovered by Dmitry Mendeleev. So Dmitry Mendeleev only discovered the periodic table. In which manner? The Dmitry Mendeleev introduced the periodic table in atomic mass. He arranged the elements accordingly to the atomic mass. So, the periodic law means the physical and chemical properties of the elements are arranged accordingly to the atomic mass. That is known as periodic law. There are various disadvantages of the periodic tables that will be overcome by the modern periodic table. So who will discover the modern periodic table? Can anyone answer? Who will discover? The modern periodic table was discovered by Henry Moseley. So Henry Moseley discovered the modern periodic table. So he introduced the elements in atomic number. Henry Moseley introduced the elements in which order? He will introduce the elements in atomic number. So what is meant by modern periodic law? The physical and chemical properties of the elements are arranged in atomic number. It is known as modern periodic law. The periodic law means the properties. The properties means what? The physical and chemical properties of the elements are arranged by atomic mass is known as periodic law. And modern periodic law means the properties, that is physical and chemical properties of the elements are arranged in atomic number. The periodic law means atomic mass. The modern periodic law means atomic number. So who will discover the modern periodic table? Henry Moseley. So he will discover the periodic tables in groups and periods. So there are 7 periods are there and 18 groups are there. So in modern periodic table, how many periods are there? 7 periods are there. How many groups are there? 18 groups are there. So totally, how many elements are there in the periodic table? 118 elements. So totally, how many elements are there? 118 elements are there in the periodic table. So in periodic table, it can be classified into 4 blocks. The periodic table is classified into 4 blocks. That is S block, P block, D block and F block. So S block, which contains the first and second group, are S block elements. So this is the first S block. So this is the first group and this is the second group. So these two are S block elements. And P block. So P block, the group number 13 to group number 18 is a P block elements. And D block is group number 3 to group number 12 is a D block elements. And F block. So F block is in the bottom of the periodic table. The F block is in the bottom of the periodic table. The D block is also called as transition elements. The D block is also called as transition elements and F block is also known as inner transition elements. Why F block is called as inner transition elements? Because it is obtained in D block. So that's why the F block is known as inner transition elements. Okay students, so now we will remember the first 20 elements. You have to take the note. So you have to mention, you have to write it. You have to practice. So whatever we taught today. So if we practice regularly means you can easily by heart all the elements which are obtained in the periodic table. So in this session, we will discuss the first 20 elements. How we can remember the first 20 elements in easy way. In easy way we can remember the first 20 elements. So there is some mnemonic will be there. So from that we can easily by heart the first 20 elements. So what are the first 20 elements? You have to know that first. Hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon, potassium and calcium. So these are the first 20 elements. How we can remember the first 20 elements? It's very easy students. You have to follow this one. Hi, hero. Just write it down. Write it in your note. Hi, hero, listen, BBC. Hi, hero, listen, BBC. Not on Friday. Not on Friday. Niyum, Nanum, MGR, Allah. Niyum, Nanum, MGR, Allah. Shivaji, Pakkathala, Surya, க்ளோஸா உட்கார்ந்து ஆண்டவர் கிட்ட காசு கேட்கிறான். I will repeat it once again. Just make it a note. Hi, hero, listen, BBC. BBC, not on Friday, நீயும் நானும் எம்ஜிஆர் அல்ல, சிவாஜி பக்கத்துல சூர்யா, க்ளோஸா உக்காந்து ஆண்டவர்கிட்ட காசு கேட்கிறான். Okay students, all of them are written now. Okay, now we will discuss first what we have to write. What you wrote? High. That high indicates hydrogen. And next what you have to write? Hero. That hero indicates helium. And next what you write? Listen. Listen indicates lithium. And next what you write? BBC. The first B indicates beryllium. And second B indicates boron. And third C indicates carbon. That is BBC. First B indicates beryllium, second B indicates boron, and C indicates carbon. And next not. N nitrogen, not. On oxygen, Friday fluorine. And next neum, that is neon. And next nanum, that is sodium. Neum nanum. MgR, that is magnesium. Alla, that is aluminium. Shivaji, that is silicon. Pakkathula, phosphorus. Surya, that is sulfur. Closa, that is chlorine, Cl. Closa உட்கார்ந்து ஆண்டவர் கிட்ட, that is Ar, argon. காசு, that is potassium. கேக்குறான், that is calcium. So hi, hero, listen, BBC, not on Friday, நீயும் நானும் எம்ஜிஆர் அல்ல, சிவாஜி பக்கத்துல சூர்யா, க்ளோஸா உட்கார்ந்து ஆண்டவர் கிட்ட காசு கேட்கிறான். You can easily by heart all the elements by this way. We will discuss simultaneously in the next session. You have to practice it, my dear students. Otherwise, it's very difficult. You have to practice. You have to daily read these elements. You have to by heart it. That means you can easily remember the elements. Okay, students. Thank you. See you on next class.